How to translate videos into multiple languages using AI. First, open your web browser and visit an AI video translation platform such as HeyGen, Rask AI, Dubverse, or Kapwing. Most of these tools offer free trials or limited free features. Next, sign into your account, then tab Translate Any Video and click Browse Local Files. Select the video you want to translate from your device. Once the upload is complete, choose Source Video Language, spoken in the video. Then select one or more target languages you want the AI to translate into, and customize engine used. Now click Generate or Translate and wait while the AI processes your video. This may take a few minutes depending on the video's length. That's it! You've successfully translated a video into multiple languages using AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tools